Welcome to Shreya Power Controls. Today we are manufacturing LCS, Local Control Station. You see there are lot of LCS is already ready to dispatch. I am just showing the readiness of the LCS. Now we will talk about something on how to prepare the LCS. Okay friends, chalo, we'll take one and we'll discuss in detail for one LCS. See, I am explaining details of local push button station so that you will come to know. This is made of CRCSC. If you see from the back, there are 4 holes given for the mounting. So this is a rear mounted box. So at site you can use these 4 holes to mount this box. Now this is called side view. This is the back face of the LCS and this is another side of the back face. See, if you see this is for earthing. So that means the external earth strip or earth cable, earth wire is coming and connecting here. So here we just use some earth strip or GA wires. If you see this is a canopy based. This is a canopy. Why the canopy will be made? This is because if any rain comes, the rain should not enter inside. This is outdoor application. IP55 protection. IP55 means dust and water, angled water cannot be entered inside the box. Now, I will explain about what is the nameplate. If you see this, local control station. This is basically, this is the metal, aluminium metal. It is engraved so that it will be stay fixed here. We are using wand to fix this, or else we can use these 2 screws to use the rivets. By using the rivet also we can fix this one. And then there are 2 push button. It is called start and stop. Start push button will be used to start the motor or local equipment. Stop push button will be used for stop the motor. How? If you see, this is a push on type. Push, release, push, release. This is a stop. If you press this and turn, if you see the direction of this, turn this side to release. Push, turn this side to release. If you see this is a door lock to lock the panel. This is called manufacturer nameplate. It is Shreya Power Control. It is having the contact number, website as well as address. So I am just opening the door. See, when you are designing this particular box, you must know what are all the terminals, how many terminals are there. According to the requirement, you can decide the size of the cubicle. This is around 200 into 320 size. And if you see, this is a plan plate. So this, if you see from the bottom, this is a removable plate. So what happened with this? I can remove this and I do the glanding externally, depend upon my external cabling. If you see, this is terminals. These terminals will be used to connect between the external cable and the internal cable. This is something like a joint. So terminals, this we are using the terminals. This is a C channel. If you see the start push button or stay put push button, this is having the NONC element. If you see here, if you see the yellow color, this is a numbering. We given each and every wire numbering. So if you see this, it is called as a ferrules. This is a 1.5 mm ferrules, and there will be 2.5 mm ferrules also. Even for 1.5 mm ferrules, with lot of difficulties, we can use for 2.5 square mm cable also. Now, what we done here, we used two NOs. I can show you how it will be. NO means just removing one terminal. You can see this. This is NO and this is NC. That means we can easily understand green color is NO and red color is NC. So I'm just fixing. This is a fixed fixing type. We can easily fix. See here. Now what we done at present is number 1. You can see this number 1 terminal, and in the bottom it is number 2 and number 3 and number 4. 1, 2 is a NO, it is the back side of this unit, and 3, 4 is a front NC element, and that's front is a NO. The same way we used 5, 6 is a NO element, and 7, 8 is the NC element. Similar to that, we done 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That means there are 2 NO and 2 NCs are connected in one slot, and the same way for one slot. What we done, all this wire we routed through wire strip by using the spiral and the cable tie. We connected to this way. If you see here, we taken like this. You can come to know why we are given this much of extra cable. Why we taken like this? Because there are sometime there may be a chances we may cut the wire unknowingly. Then there may be a chances to wire get burn. So then we will cut that particular edge and we will reconnect the wire, so that we will have a extra wire also. And this is for our termination. So all this, as long as one NO and NC will get interchanged as soon as we press the push button. This is called door earthing. That means when the body is connected to the earth, it will be here, and from this body the door also gets connected to connected earthing to this door. Okay guys, today I explained about local push button station, but if you want anything else, please contact us through your comment. Thank you.